Grammy Cupcake story time. I'm here. Are you there? Good. Let's get ready and have a story. Today we have Little Blue Truck. Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep. Engines purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink said a piggy. Beep said blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said beep. Ma said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh said a horse. Quack said a duck. Beep said the friendly little blue truck. There it is, little blue truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. He's in a hurry. Room went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Oh! Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk. His tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mud. Oh, honk! Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared because he was kind of mean. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Ooh, now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh dear, everybody's getting stuck in the mud. Help, 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 cried Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that. Beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. There they go. Everybody will help. I hope so. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the click and the duck, and everybody pushed with the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. Ooh, I like frogs. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load when who hopped up but the big green toad. All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the truck, all of them were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. It's good to have friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah. Moo, cluck, peep. Neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. That is the end of our story. See you next time.